Hey everybody, what's up? Carlos here for a new day. Today is day number 16 doing trading in a real account with real money. So, if you are new in this channel, I'm gonna give you some context so you understand what's happening here. Basically, I started my journey in trading January 10. That was my first day, and that day I made 50% plus of profit. It was crazy. I didn't expect those results. Even winning $1 would be good for that day, but at the end of the day, I finished the day winning almost $16. As you know, I started this journey with $30 as a bonus that my broker gave me as a gift because I started working with him, but I didn't put my own money yet. That's a little detail I want to tell you. So after that, the purpose of this journey, this documentation, is to show you the real side behind trading, what happened to someone, what happened in the mindset of a trader, what a kind of decisions or how we deal with emotions, the psychology, all of that side that normally we don't see in those kind of videos or in YouTube. We don't see the behind the scenes. We can see sometimes the operations or the analysis, but the what really happens, what really leave a trader is not always show. So that's why I'm doing this, and at the same time, you see that I'm learning, and you can learn with me at the same time, or you can apply in your own journey what you learn watching these videos. So basically, the purpose with this $30 is to learn how to manage risk very well, because trust me, it doesn't matter how much money you manage. What is important is you manage very well your percentages. What I mean by this is, if you know how to manage $30 very well, you will be most most of the cases will be sure that you will know how to manage, for example, $300 or $3,000 or even more. Obviously, you need a different kind of psychology when the amount gets higher, but when you have the basics and when you really know what happened in the basic level, trust me, you will make very good decisions and you will know how to manage your risk. And then, depending on the amount of money, you will be very good at managing your psychology and your emotions. Okay, so today I didn't make any operation in my real account because, well, as you know, yesterday it was a day where well, it wasn't the best day of all of them. Okay, so imagine being the first day winning a good amount of money, and then yesterday I was almost like the first day. So there were ups and downs. I win some money, I lose some money. I keep positive until today. I keep in profit, but at the same time, I'm analyzing what happened all of these days and the different weeks. And one good thing that I learned is watch the chart in a weekly and monthly way, not only daily. It's very important to see the graphic in a weekly way so you understand where are the good opportunities to get into the market. What I mean by this is that not all the days are the best to operate. Some days there are zones of accumulation, so those days are better for scalpers, people who really know how to do scalping and take quickly decisions, and some days are better for taking longer operations like intraday that could be 2-3 hours, I don't know, but it depends the day what kind of opportunities will give you. So not every day is going to be the best day for your style. So that was the best thing that I learned today, because I was watching the graphic, I was watching what happened the first day and all the other days that I win the most. So those days the graphic was more volatile. There were big movements, a very strong movement, bullish or bearish depending on the case. But at the end, the graphic had very good moments to make operations. And the days that I lost, normally it was because I didn't put the stop loss in the right place, or sometimes I made the operation in a bad position, so I got manipulated by the market and I made a bad decision. So those kind of scenarios help me to understand how to make better decisions from today. Now I decided that I will make operations the day that I really feel it's the great opportunity for me. It's not an obligation to make operations every single day. It's better to do it when you really feel in the game, right? When you really feel your analysis is doing good, those are the best days to make operations. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. You are going to see the quick details at the end, but as you know, it's not the best day, but I will recover this, because these kind of scenarios are normally the kind of scenarios that break people. So those are the best moments to show yourself that you can manage these situations on the way of your emotions and your psychology, and make the best decisions according of what resources you have right now. So this situation right now, I really love it, because it's making my progress go a little bit higher. Even if I'm losing money, my experience and the way I'm making decision is getting better. Okay, so that's the key here. As I always told you, you will get the best lessons when you learn how to lose. Those are the best lessons, because when you learn how to lose, you can learn how to win. So you never let something you never let something that you will give up. Okay, so make your best, take your best decisions possible, and go every single day to the game. Okay guys, so for today, no operations. We'll see you tomorrow. Ciao. What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm making the video. The first day was January 10. Okay, right now we are in February 3rd, but I'm doing the video for the last day, January 31st. That was the day number 16. Okay, so before starting the journey today, I'm making the video from last Friday because I was a little bit busy. So let's go guys. For day number 31, I didn't make any operation in my real account. You can see here the last one was 30 January, right? Okay, January 30th. I am in profit. I keep positive 0.98 cents. My bonus of $30.
it's becoming hot, the situation right now, because I was with more profit and now it's coming down, so I need to keep with great trades. But the last days, well, you can see some losses come here, but that's how we learn. Now you can see the graphic here. You can see the spread right now, it's a little bit higher than usual, so it's not the best time to make a trade if you are not 100% sure of the operation and your analysis. Okay, but today I'm going to show you something that's going to help you to realize that it's not necessary to operate every single day. Okay, the thing here is that sometimes before the first thing is to realize that the most important step is to look your graphic every single day and make your analysis and watch which one is the best day to make your operation. Okay, so gonna give you a quick example. Today, this is the graphic. Okay, so you can see here. Here is the point of London high. Here is the line of Asia low. And here between them is London low and Asia high. Okay, but what it means is that all the graphic from today, it's moving only from between this space, right? So that means that the graphic can go, yeah, upside or maybe down, but I don't think much down, but probably. This is Nasdaq, okay? Nasdaq. So it can go up, but this is a good reference, a good size to know how much the market can move. All right. So there are days when you see a graphic like in the weekly, you can see weekly the movement. Okay. Normally, sometimes you can see Monday and Tuesday is this, and after you see Wednesday to Thursday is like this. And when you see some things like this is a zone of accumulation. Okay, this is not the best place to make trading operations. So that's why I'm telling you, if you have one day that you see this kind of movements, is not the best moment to make trading operations. Why? Because yes, you can take a good trade if you take the good place. Yes, you can. But if you can't, there is little opportunity that the operation goes more on your side and you win more. So that's why this is a kind of graphic that scalpers that really dominate, they know how to make the operation here. Okay, but normally if you wanna take less risk, these kind of movements are better. You see, it's longer, so you have the opportunity to get here or maybe here or maybe here, but you have different kind of opportunities to get here and win some more and win some cash. But if you get here, you need to be very accurate, very sharp when you make the operation. Okay, so sometimes during the week, when you see the graphic weekly, the chart weekly, some days are like that. And that's something that I learned since the first week I started, that some days my mistakes were to operate on days like that there was too much accumulation. So guys, try to avoid these kind of days, try to avoid these kind of moments, and focus on moments like this that are longer, that you have more opportunity. Even if you take the let's say here the operation, you have all this movement to win. Okay, But imagine here you take here the operation, you have only this. And imagine you don't close the operation day, it goes down and it take you down the operation, okay? So that happened to me several times during these days. So that's why I am in this number, because I needed to win sometimes and sometimes lose. But now I'm learning what happened exactly and what are the best lessons that I can show to you. So remember, if you have this portion of the chart that the graphic moves, it's a good signal that this is the kind of movement that can happen, okay? So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.